Imagine waking up to find your bank balance is alarmingly low. You take a deep breath, asking, "What happened to my savings?" After countless hours of hard work and frugality, it seems unreal. But you are not alone in this situation. Countless others face similar financial dilemmas daily. The solution lies in recognizing invisible financial traps all around us. In this video, I'll share insightful stories about these traps. Meet Sam, a bright 25-year-old with big aspirations. He was lured by a flashy investment app promising quick riches. Initially, he experienced astonishing profits within weeks. But then, just like that, the app disappeared and so did his funds. This was his first trap, the allure of easy money. While it's tempting, it's mostly a mirage of fraud. True wealth requires dedication and time to build. Think of it as nurturing a tree, not kitchen fireworks. To avoid these traps, steer clear of investments lacking clarity. If something seems unrealistically good, it probably is. Focus on acquiring skills instead of chasing risky schemes. Now let's talk about Sarah. She was ecstatic after landing her first job with a juicy salary. But soon, lifestyle inflation crept in unnoticed. As her paycheck grew, so did her spending. Her increased income led only to mounting debts. This reveals the trap of lifestyle inflation. Your spending habits often matter more than how much you earn. Always save first whenever you get a pay rise. Keep your costs low for better financial stability later. Then invest any savings for future security. Next, let's examine Peter. After a grueling workday, he sought relief in retail therapy. He purchased trendy sneakers and a smartwatch, unaware of his budget limits. He was later shocked by an inflated credit card bill. This showcases the trap of emotional spending. We often buy to comfort ourselves, not out of necessity. Remember, shopping won't heal your emotional wounds. To escape this cycle, pause for 24 hours before any impulse purchases. Ask if it's truly a need or an escape from feelings. Seek healthier alternatives for emotional relief. Now let's discuss Annie. She excelled academically but lacked any real financial knowledge. She took out a loan with high interest while ignoring savings. This reflects the trap of financial ignorance. Schools rarely teach practical money management skills effectively. To break free, dedicate 10 minutes daily to financial learning. Explore books, watch informative videos, and ask questions. Understanding finance is essential for achieving true freedom. Finally, let's meet David. He lived paycheck to paycheck without any strategic planning. When he suddenly lost his job, his safety net vanished. This exemplifies the trap of no long-term plan. Without a clear financial direction, wealth eludes you. Establish clear financial goals, build an emergency fund, and invest wisely for the future. Your financial state mirrors your habits and choices. If you find yourself broke, remember it's just a temporary story. You're the author of your financial journey. Keep these 5 traps in mind. Easy money, lifestyle inflation, emotional spending, financial ignorance, and no long-term plan. Now you are aware of these pitfalls and can avoid them. If you found this video helpful, share it with someone else in need. For more financial insights, subscribe to FINALAND. Take a moment, reflect in the mirror, and declare, "I refuse to remain broke."